Hi everyone and welcome to Coding Gist. Guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can implement report a problem feature in your Android application. We add this feature for our user to report the problem they are facing in our application. So some people call it contact us, we will call it report a problem. So we will be using the intent for this feature. So open up your Android Studio and create a new project and go to activity underscore main XML, and I will add a button here. So when we click on that button, so we will report a problem to the user. So I will just connect the constraint to 4 sides, and I need to change this button ID to btn report. Okay, after this I need to change this text. So I will go scroll down, and here, as you can see here, I need to change it to report a problem. I will hit enter, and as you can see here, a button is report a problem text. Okay, we need to initialize this button in our main activity.java. Simply type button. Okay, call it btn report, and inside this onCreate method we will initialize it by using this button id. So simply type ndv find view by id r.id btn report, and to add an action to this button we need to add a click listener to this button. So btn report dot set on click listener, and we will use the lambda expression here. Okay, we will call a report problem method here, problem. Okay, and we need to create this method outside of our onCreate private void report problem and create this method. Okay, inside this method we need to do our work. So first of all we need two things, string email. This will be your email which you want to give a user, or which you want to add in your application, so user will report problems on this email to you. So I will simply add my email here as a string, the coding gist at gmail.com. Okay, and second thing, we need a subject for our report. So if you want to make a common subject in your application, so you can add it here. Like I will call it subject is equal to, it will be a string, and we will call it reporting for app, and we will concatenate here our application name. So get string r dot string dot app name. So you will know that from which application the report is coming. And if you want to add some pre-made body text here, so you can also add it, but we will we are not adding it, so user will add it in the application in the email option. Okay, so after this we need to create an intent. Intent is equal to new intent, and here inside this we need to call intent dot set action send to. Okay, we will add a semicolon, and after this we need to set our data, intent dot set data, and we will use uri dot parse, and here we will add mail to, and we are adding this to target the email or mailing applications in our Android phone, or in the user Android phone. Okay, and we need some extra data for our email. So intent dot put extra and string, and we will add a intent dot extra underscore email. So it will be our email, and we need to add a string array, or you can add it like this email. We need to add it in our string array, string. Okay, string array curly braces email. Okay, After this, we need to set our subject. So put extra intent dot extra underscore subject and add your subject here. Okay, intent dot extra intent dot extra text. So it will be your body text. If you want to add some text here, so you can add it here. I will leave it empty. Okay, and below here we need to start our intent start activity, and from here we need to call the intent dot create user. So if the user have multiple emailing applications, so the user have to choose, and we will pass our intent here. After this, we just notify user that choose an email client. Okay, and now we will run this application. Okay, now we will click on this button, and as you can see here, this is our email application. So I have just only one is Google Gmail application. So my app, this is my app name. Okay, report a problem. This is our app name. As you can see here, report a problem. So reporting for app, report a problem, and this is my email, and this is Gmail I'm sending from. Okay, here is the body. So I will just simply type some text here. Hello there, I have a problem, and I will simply click on send. Okay, and now I will check it in my email. So as you can see here, now we will receive an email. I will refresh this page. As you can see here, we have an email received. Hello, I have a problem, and this is the user email. Okay, so that's how you can implement the report a problem feature in your application. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and also hit that like button.